Here's what I think that this creator should be charging for a TikTok post. The rate that I'm about to give is based on my experience as a creator monetization coach. I work with creators every single day to help them sign brand deals, sign contracts. So this is just based on my experience with them. So Jordy here has 67K followers, which is a really great following, and it looks like most of her videos are popping off. She did have one video that hit 1 million very recently, and I do wonder if that has something to do with where her views are at, but even when you scroll back, the views are still really great. If we go through and look at her comments, it looks like some of the comments are pretty low. The videos that got a lot of views got a lot of comments, like this one, but some of them are kind of low. So that is something that we're going to consider when thinking about the rate. I think realistically what Jordy should shoot for is somewhere around 2 to 2.5K. I think that if her comments were a little bit higher on those videos that didn't blow up, then we could probably go closer to 3. Keep in mind, when you get into rates that are in the thousands, this is where it gets a little tricky because not a lot of brands have thousands of dollars to spend on one creator, but a lot of brands do. So keep that in mind as well. As with any of the rates that I give you guys here, you have to take them with a grain of salt. Some brands are going to be able to accommodate, some brands are not. And when you do have a brand that gives you a lower offer than what I'm giving you here, it's really up to you if you're willing to accept that. However, I want you to have this number in mind so that you can use that when you're negotiating. If you need help figuring out what to charge, you can hit me with a follow and then comment your handle here.